Welcome everyone to the channel. Welcome guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious salad, and it's going to be a prawn salad. Which mostly top airline use this type of salad and recipe I'm using here. I have some corn, there, some carrot, bit of onion, and some bell peppers. I have some pickle. Here I'm going to use some sliced pickle, cucumber. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut these up, but I'm going to cut the carrot to an angle. So this is a salad dish they serve on some top airline. And not only that, it's summer. So this is good, healthy, and very good for weight loss also. So I'm just going to cut the onion like julienne, but I want them very thin. If you notice, I'm cutting them very thin. Next, what I'm going to do, peppers. I'm going to work on the peppers now. So these little parts, make sure you utilize everything. Also, try to make it as colorful as possible. We have the pickle here. So we're just going to go ahead. Make sure you slice the pickle also. So if you want to put some red onion in it, you can go ahead. Next thing you need is a bowl. So I have a bowl here. I have some lettuce which I've purchased. They're already washed. So that should be enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead. This little bit of juice, like it's a little bit of vinegar, I'm adding to this. So I'm going to add some corn. Give it a bit of lightly toast. in the bowl. Then go ahead and add your different vegetables in: onion, carrots, peppers. We're gonna go in with all of this now. You can use your hands, nothing wrong with that. Or you can use a fork or a spoon, whatever you have, just make use of it. So now I have some freshwater prawn. I'm just gonna add to this. You know, I like to get my hands in. You can use a spoon if you want, personal preference. So I just turn it a bit. What I'm going to use over this, I'm using a little bit of avocado oil. I'll be adding some black pepper to this. The next thing what I want to add to this, I'm going to add some Celtic sea salt over it. And all that is personal preference, but to give you that balance. So this time I'm just going to use a fork and gently bring everything together. Now this is personal preference. I have another bowl. Just going to transfer it to this bowl. It's personal preference, or probably look better in the other one. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to gently top it off with some prawns over it. Lovely prawns. Give it another bit of twist. Then your classic top airline salad is ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you do enjoy this video and you like content like this, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.